Hello students, today we will learn how to automate the email by using the script editor. Let's say you put on a massive event that was a huge success. You want to thank everyone individually and you have to send the emails from there. You are having this spreadsheet and you are having lots of email IDs here. So it is not possible for you to pick up one and one email ID and you have to send all the emails. You have to send then 100 of the emails at one time. So your Google Sheet helps you to send the emails at one run. You just go to the tools. You're having the script editor here. We have made a function here that is the send emails function. We have created this function. By using this function, we can send emails at one run. You can send 100 of emails at one run. What you have done is you have the sheet, you have the function send email, then you're having the active sheet, then your start row is 2, the number of row is 4, for example. Now you have taken the data range that to which cells you want to have the email IDs. It is going to give you the cells information that is having the email ID. Next, in the data, you have put your data range to get values. Now you're having a string variable here that is the email sent. Now we have put the loop here. We have fetched the first name and the email address, and we are having the email sent. That is a boolean. If you are going to send the email, it's going to be true. If your email is not sent due to any error, it is going to give you the false. Now you have the message here. You have the subject here. Now you have applied the mail app dot send email. It is going to send the email one by one by the email addresses. It's going to send the message subject again and again. The loop will run till your data is there. So when you are going to run this send emails function, the emails will be sent to the email addresses that are mentioned in your spreadsheet. So it is the way how you send email to the 100 of email addresses at one run. There is one more way to send the emails, and that is by using the Zapier. You're having the Zapier here. You can send your emails by integrating your Google Sheet with the Zapier applications. You can use the Gmail here for sending the lots of emails. You can also use Office 365 for sending the multiple emails. You have also here an application that is Mandrill. It is going to send you the emails when you have created the new rows in the Google Sheet. You can also send it by using SMTP protocol, this one. You can also send the emails by using the SendGrid application. So these are the way how you automate your system by integrating the Google Sheet by the Zapier applications, or you can also create your script for sending the emails. Thank you.